Short reflection. I have been practicing yoga for 7 years and still I was not seeing the results. I was still impatient, overthinking, comparing myself, reactive all the times. I used to think maybe yoga is not for me. And if it is for me, then why is it not working out? Then I joined my first TTC where I discovered something shocking. I found out that I was practicing only the third limb of yoga. Not the first, not the second, the third limb of yoga. So I had missed out on actually the foundations of yoga. मेरे साथ वो सीन हो चुका था कि मैंने एक बुक को रीड करना शुरू किया है फ्रॉम द मिडल. And after reading 7 to 8 pages, I am wondering why is the story not going anywhere? Why is it not making sense? That was my story. The first two limbs where Maharishi Patanjali gives us the social ethics and personal observances. In the yamas, he teaches us, actually guides us to not hurt anyone, speak truth at all times, practice celibacy, don't steal and don't hoard items beyond your capacity to use anything properly. In the niyamas where he talks about the cleanliness in all its forms, the contentment, the perseverance, the self-introspection, study of the sacred text, and then devotion and surrender to an identity higher than our own self. I missed out on all of this. सुनने में ये बहुत ही छोटी छोटी चीज़ें लगती हैं, but once you apply them, the impact is so huge. And I was simply running after the asanas. If you are someone who is starting out on their yoga journey, do not just run after the poses, do not run after the asanas in order to master them. Instead, try to bring down the 8 limbs into your own life. The only thing is that it is very difficult to follow, so most of us think like छोड़ देते हैं आप. Maharishi Patanjali gives us a solution to that too. He prescribes us abhyas and vairagya. Abhyas where he tells us to keep putting in the effort, and vairagya means detaching yourself from the outcomes. So even if you are trying and you are not able to get there, try again. And if you don't get there again, be detached. Don't get discouraged if you're not able to reach in 1 or 2 or 10 attempts. Keep trying, keep putting in the efforts, and eventually you will see the results for yourself. So running after the asanas, running after the poses will actually make you lose the essence of yoga, just like I did. And it is going to be very difficult in the starting. But with time, I assure you that if you practice it with consistency, it is very impossible for you to not see